Is there any questions before the next slide?
Ada yang mungkin mau ditanyakan dulu, teman-teman?
Denny, may I ask?
Yes.
Okay. I'm curious. How many local producer or like Canadian breeder that can produce during
Mm.
2024 this year compared to import? Perhaps you
Oh,
can
you mean
show us the data or the impression or something.
those that breed here in
Yes,
Canada?
in Canada, like maybe some hobbies or maybe some farms that produce the ornamental fish there, or maybe locally capture cats. I don't know if there is a
Mhm.
endemic Canadian fish.
Okay, there's well with the fish that are imported, if anybody's breeding them, yes, today there's more breeders. If that was your question, that are, but it's more difficult to breed fish here because of our weather. So we rely on having to heat a room to build a fish room that's heated and to
Mhm,
use heaters in the aquariums. And it's more difficult. I mean, you can do it, but you cannot mass produce or produce in quantity like you guys do with ponds and
mhm,
outside because of your weather all year round. So I think your weather also influences the breeding. Um, I know I've tried in the summer, I've put guppies out in ponds, and well, obviously I got a lot more drops, I got more fish.
mhm,
So but I have a very short window. Are there people breeding them? Yes, there's people breeding guppies. I'm seeing more people breeding them and starting to sell them. I think it goes back to my point that uh, there's been more influx of better quality fish over the last 5 years, and there's been more interest, and I'm seeing more people breeding them. There's
mhm,
also more Asian people living in Canada. I see a lot of Vietnamese people, and I see a lot of Vietnamese breeding betta and guppies and selling them. So uh, this it helps as well. So there's
okay.
what else? I mean, you asked about. So there are clubs. There's some clubs, and there's a lot of exchange of fish between people in clubs, between themselves. There's other markets. There's other online markets to post fish to buy and sell and exchange and to adopt. So that is also very strong. Did I cover your questions, Yoti? Does that answer the question for you, Yoti?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
Okay.
Uh, it is interesting that also in beta, I heard that there is a beta show going on. I heard this month in Canada that will
Toronto.
also attract more interest in beta in Canada. I think this is a IBC show.
Yes, IBC.
Mm.
Right. So the beta is becoming, more mainstream and established, and there's competitions, and there's also a good guppy competition in Toronto every year. So, like in the US,
Great.
so, yeah,
Okay.
it's establishing itself. I
Yeah.
think it's growing and it's getting more serious.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
so
you,
next,
Danny.
you're welcome.
Oke, Pak, before we continue, Pak Didin Junior raise his hand. Do you have a question? Ada pertanyaan, Pak Didin?
Itu.
Boleh
Oke,
disampaikan.
eh, Mas bisa tanya pakai bahasa Indonesia apa bahasa Inggris, Mas?
Eh, Kalau bisa bahasa Inggris, boleh. Tapi
Oke,
kalau enggak, boleh nanti saya translate
bata-bata ya, Mas.
bahasa Inggris, Pak. Iya, nggak apa-apa.
Good night, sir.
Hello.
Hello. I have a question. This gurami fish means Sepatralis, yes sir, in Indonesia or another ornamental fish?
Like paros, the wild gourami.
Wild gurami.
Yes. Anna's there. Anna knows. She sells a lot of them.
Paros ya Pak Didin, paros atau wild gurami gitu ya.
Wild gurame. Kalau di sini tuh ini Pak, kayak ada apa namanya? Sepatralis Pak, tetapi memang dia masuknya ke jenis gurame gitu Pak. Dia
No,
warnanya bagus Pak di itu. Kalau bisa di Google itu warnanya ada merah, biru gitu Pak.
Oh, oke.
Kayak gitu.
Eh, ya, itu bisa bisa ditawarkan juga Pak Didin.
Mm-mm.
Tadi seperti Denny sampaikan kan gurami mulai meningkat ya ininya apa minatnya. Jadi boleh kita tawarkan sebanyak mungkin jenis gurami yang ada gitu.
Oh ya berarti semuanya masuk yang masuk kategori gurame bisa ditawarkan ya Pak ya.
Ya,
was that about breeding or sell or that they're being sold or purchased?
so
Them or that people are breeding them or just purchasing them? What kind of gourami they're buying?
yeah, he's asking about one type of gurami that he breeds. Is it okay to promote in Canada?
Okay, which one was that? Oh, he wants to know which one is best.
Tadi, hold on. Tadi jenisnya apa, Pak Didin?
Kalau di sini sepatralis Pak. Sepatralis.
Sepatralis.
Ralis. Sepatralis RALIS. Jadi kalau di Google itu dia bentuknya gurame tapi dia merah, biru, kuning gitu Pak. Dia kayak kayak pagar teralis gitu Pak.
Sepatralis, oke.
Sepatralis. Mungkin
Uh,
bisa dikasih gambarnya ke Mister Denny Pak.
I don't know the which names exactly because I wasn't ready for that. I don't have the list, but
ya,
it's in general wild gourami, not the regular gouramis that we see in pet stores. So
hmm,
uh, I said paros. That's the
Paros ya.
term, but there's different kinds. Like I said, Anna is there. She knows a few of the popular ones. I don't know
Oke.
if she mentioned them.
Ya, jadi maksudnya adalah gurami liar ya, Pak Didin ya.
Oh,
Mungkin
gurame.
Asalnya dari mana, Pak Didin?
Ya, Ibu.
Asalnya dari mana? Daerah mana? Which
Ya,
area itu?
kalau itu dari Bogor banyak dari Bogor. Kita juga udah banyak yang
Breed.
breeding juga di kalau saya di Lampung udah banyak yang breeding juga.
Didin. Oke, apa namanya? What the name?
Uh,
Gurame, Pak?
the name is in
tepat
Indonesia
eh,
gurame fish is sepatralis Bu, sepatralis sebutannya untuk di Indonesia.
Tepat
Kalau
teralis,
alis,
sepat. Oke, oke. The fish,
oh,
I mean hard to keeping because we need a pH, correct? Or easy. Gampang nggak Pak Didin untuk
gampang,
dipelihara?
gampang banget itu. Itu dia
Posisi di Bogor.
di Bogor, Bogor ada, terus yang di saya di Lampung juga banyak gitu.
Oh, oke, Pak Didin, you can send the sample to me ya.
Oh, can
You
I
can
send
send,
by chat or another?
you can add my Facebook or I will give you the WhatsApp. Okay, you can send the sample to me and I will send to Mr. Denny Samos or something. I will post in my Facebook like that.
Hmm. Oke,
Okay,
oke Bu.
okay,
Thank you,
okay,
Bu.
okay.
Thank you, thank you, Mr.
Welcome.
Denny.
You're welcome.
yeah. So Denny, he is talking about Trichogaster lalius. If you heard of it, Trichogaster,
You
the
have to
the
write it on the screen.
itu ya gurami.
Ya, Gurame.
Yeah, the
Triple
wild gurami Trichogaster lalius,
Oh,
the
oke,
scientific name. Mhm.
Pak Pak Yoga boleh nambahin tadi Mr. Joti tadi bicara tentang competition nggak?
Oke, ya, silakan Bu.
Mr. Joti still there, still here?
Yeah,
Ya,
Okay. Oh, Mr. Jyoti, the last competition at Canada, I'm the winner, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
I'm the winner. You know that I'm the winner in each any country. Singapore, Malaysian, like that.
Very good.
Now,
Good.
now
Great.
now my base at Canada and become the first, yeah. I have a reseller there. Name is Len Heron C. Black, and Mr. D knows that very well, yeah. And Len Heron C. Black was a breed my Antuta, my Macrostoma, all kind, and he goes first time to go to competition and win in first place.
Good, good, good. Congratulations.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Mr. D. Thank you, Mr. D, for
Yes,
helping me always. And
yes, I have. Yeah.
para seller di Indonesia, you can close with Mr. D because Mr. D is very, very polite and good.
Thank you, dear.
iya.
Oke, Pak Yoga, silakan.
Oke, Pak Didin sudah oke dengan jawabannya tadi?
Next slide.
Sudah Pak,
Question.
Oke,
mudah-mudahan terjawab.
ya,
Makasih
thank
banyak
you.
Pak.
Oke, thank you Pak Didin. So we will continue, Daniel, with your presentation.
Harus
Yeah.
bisa
Okay.